Hey guys, I couldn't wait to tell you all about this. The Bask and Lather Edge Control. It totally slays these edges, especially the 4C edges, you know, those that are really, really hard to tame. This gets the job done. If you don't believe me, just watch. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. So I always start by putting a little water on my brush. Put a little moisture on those edges. Just a little. Then apply. I'm going to leave my glasses on. Apply it all the way around the perimeter. Just like so. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much at all. It does not take much. This is the only edge control that I found that can control these 4C edges. The only one that I found. But look here. The more I brush, the smoother it gets. Then it gets this little wave effect going on. Look at there. I have no chemicals in my hair, all natural. And it'll last for several days. It will literally last for several days. You don't have to keep applying it. When I wake up tomorrow, all I'll have to do is wet this brush again. Look at the waves. I don't know how it pulls these waves out, but it definitely gets the job done. It gets it done. And I put my little drawstring one around here and create my poof. My edges are slayed. Get you some today, fast and not slow. You need this in your beauty supply basket. We all do. It's absolutely awesome. Don't hesitate to click the link. I am an Amazon affiliate. I get paid commission for my sales. So help me help you. Look at there. Look. Look at there. You cannot beat that with any other edge control. The slickness. And it's not moving. It's not moving. I just applied it. It's not even all the way dry yet. It works perfectly on natural hair. I know that it works on all types of hair, but natural hair, 4C hair, is the hardest hair to actually tame. If you don't believe this hold, watch this. Watch this. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? It will hold on this mirror just one little dab so you know it can tame your edges. Don't hesitate to get you some. If you don't, you're missing out. Bask and Lather. Edge control. Get you some today.